Hi everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today, I'll show you how to create a class and workshop in Vagaro. Classes and workshops are set up and scheduled the same way, except that customers attend just one class session, whereas customers attend all sessions in a workshop. Let's learn how to create a class and workshop within Vagaro. From the calendar, hover over Settings and select Service and Class menu. Under the Classes tab, select the green Add button. If we're creating our first class, we will need to create a category for our class to live in. For example, if we're creating multiple classes called Intro to Ballet, Intermediate Ballet, and Advanced Ballet, we might want to create a category named Ballet to better categorize our classes together. Optionally, associating a color to this category will help color code our calendar when a customer books any service underneath this category. For example, if we choose pink, our calendar will reflect a pink color that will tell us that we will be instructing a ballet class. Once we're satisfied with our category name and color, select Save. Now that we've created a category, let's create a class. Under the Add button, select Class. Vagaro Class provides a variety of title options to easily create and implement a class your business performs. Choosing this is the best way to define your business type. Custom Class allows you to create a custom class name that your business offers. Let's go over Custom Class. We'll add our class name and a quick description that includes information about what this class would entail. Use Vagaro AI to spruce up your class description. We'll quickly drag and drop a photo or upload one from our library to provide a visual element for the class. Select a resource if this class requires a room, space, or tool to instruct this class. For example, if our dance studio has 3 different dance rooms to instruct our dance class, we might want to assign them to later choose when booking for this class. If we want to keep track of how much it will cost our business to provide this class, we'll associate the price under Business Cost. Attach tax to this class. If we want to add additional class add-ons to be an option for customers, select Modify and choose which add-ons will be associated to this specific class. Select Show Class Online to make this class available to book on your Vagaro listing page. Adding cleanup time at the end of this class ensures enough time between back-to-back bookings for preparation. Selecting Workshop means that we want customers to attend a class session or a workshop made up of a series of classes that will need to be attended from beginning to end. We'll add the price it will cost customers in-house, and if we want to make this class available virtually, we'll add a live stream price. Keep in mind that a live stream class will need to be paid in full upon checkout. Prices charged must be greater than the business cost. Select which employee will be instructing this class, how long this class will be hosted for. If you'd like to create a rewards program within your business, associate how many points will be given once this class is purchased and how many points it will cost to redeem this class for free. Once you're satisfied with your class, select Save. You've successfully created a class or workshop through Vagaro. Watch our next video, Schedule a Class in Vagaro, to learn how to add your new class on your calendar for customers to book on your Vagaro landing page. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.